If you are a 10th grader, then you might have also got questions like, is scoring 95% in CBSE 10th boards very difficult? Are the NCERT books really enough? In this video, I will also discuss how I scored 94.8% in 10th boards. These are a few things that I have covered in this video. The first question is, are the NCERT books sufficient? Well, if you want to score 90 plus, then NCERT books are sufficient. But in case you want to score 95 plus, then you will have to refer other sources as well. Now let's talk about how to read NCERT properly. In science, you have to do all the activities first and then do the in-text questions, and do not forget the do you know boxes at any cost. You can see that I have covered all the activities, and at last do the final exercises. Same goes for biology, but in case of biology you have to be extra careful to the diagram's point of view. In any NCERT book, do not leave the mind map sort of things, and you should analyze and attach the tests of that particular chapter. You should make one-page short notes in any handwriting that is readable, and here you can see that I have prepared short notes for that. In this video, I have also shared how to make notes, so watch the video till the end. Now talking about the reference books that I have used. So I have used Evergreen in science. This is a very good book. You can see that all the NCERT questions are covered and in-text questions are also covered. You will get every type of question in the question bank: short answer, short type 2, long answer, numerical problems, and then the numerical problems to try ourselves. In this book, we also get application-based questions and rapid revision. So I highly recommend this book. It's a very underrated book. You should definitely check it out. For social science, again I used Evergreen, and same goes for the mathematics. Now let's talk how to make notes. This is what my notes looks like. You can see that I have covered every minute detail. I have also prepared mind maps for history. If you guys want PDF of these mind maps, then comment down below. I will link the PDF in the description box. These are my history notes. History was one of my favorite subjects to study. By the way, this is the chapter Nationalism in Europe. Now talking about the sample papers to use. So first of all, do not forget the official sample paper given on the CBSE website every year. And I highly recommend the Oswald sample papers, but I have studied from these sample papers. For English, I have used Deepak publication. It have sold and unsold sample papers, and with this you'll get an additional booklet including the topper sheet, so you can see how to write, how long to write. And for maths, I have used this sample paper, which is by Together with Publication. It includes the CBSE latest sample paper given on the website of CBSE, and you'll get the solutions of the sample paper as well. In this book, again, you will get the topper's answer sheet. You will also get a mock paper to solve on the day before your final exam. And if you don't want to do sample papers, then just do the previous year papers. Now on to the most important part, the YouTube channels for 10th grade. So Adu Mantra for science and maths. Then you have Atharva Puranic for science, especially chemistry one-shots, and Bhai Ki Padhai for social science. And you can watch any animated video for English or Hindi. Now talking about the NCERT example, this book is highly recommended by CBSE and it is going to be very useful to solve MCQs. Talking about the paper presentation, I will bring a separate video on this, but this is how my pre-board exam papers looks like. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.